5 products and exotic things only exist in Japan. It is known that the Japanese invent strange things all the time, so there are many products that are difficult to find anywhere because they are usually made based on their own lifestyle or culture. Today we offer you 5 products only in Japan. 1. The new bicycle helmet, a motorcycle helmet with a ponytail hole. A Japanese company has invented a motorcycle helmet with a hole in its back so that long-haired motorcyclists can take their hair out of it instead of fluttering the hair when it is outside the helmet or bothering it when it is gathered inside the helmet. The helmet is believed to provide greater safety for motorcyclists because they usually purchase a larger helmet so they can insert the entire hair in it, which is not sufficiently secure. But this helmet, which is a hole in the hair, allows them to purchase a helmet that fits exactly the size of their head. 2. Water-saving sink. The normal bathroom has a basin that is usually near the toilet, but the bathrooms in the Japanese city of Kinosaki Onsen are different. The basin is above the toilet water tank. The toilet is designed so that the water used to wash the hand drops into that tank in order for the toilet to be cleaned out instead of filling it with clean water. This idea is a very successful way to recycle and provide water. This product has been spreading throughout Japan since 2013, and the designs of these toilets were very simple at first. Most of them were a water faucet and a shallow basin above the reservoir. It developed over time because some people had trouble using the tub behind the toilet seat, so there is now a better version where the water faucet and basin are placed in a direction away from the toilet seat. 3. Transforming tatami mats. Japanese mats, called tatami, are used in almost all Japanese homes, so they use these mats to measure the size of the rooms by counting the tatami mats needed for the room to be covered. One of the people, Shinya Mashida, invented a new type of sophisticated tatami, which consists of a thick, comfortable mat that can sit on and cover the ground with it, but it is also converted into other things. It can be folded into a backrest or a table, on some wires so that the person can turn on the lamp without the need for any additional wires. This multi-purpose product saves a lot of space in the house, and eliminates the purchase of some of the main furniture, so that the lamp is energy-saving. These tattoos consist of 3 parts, 1 or 2 of which are raised in order to form the furniture needed by the person, and are then returned to their basic position as a mat when finished easily. 4. The wrapping wrapper. Burger sandwiches can be very chaotic, making many people prefer to eat at home so they can eat freely. A series of burger restaurants, a Freshness Burger, has invented a cover for burger sandwiches covering the lower part of the face, in that mouth so that the person can enjoy eating burger without worrying about losing his elegance and public appearance. The restaurant noted that their classic burgers, which were rarely requested by women due to the problem of being unable to eat it in a polite way, increased their sales by 213% 1 month after applying the idea of this cover covering the face. This product has been very successful in Japan because it gives great attention to table etiquette and eating in an elegant manner, especially for women. Japanese culture is that women with a small, humble mouth have a much greater appeal and beauty than women who have a big mouth. Eat anything that will make their mouth look great. The casing gave them the freedom to eat in public places while ensuring their mouth cover, appearing neatly. 5 rotary train seats. Auto-revolving turning and retracting train seats. All railway systems in Japan suffer from overcrowding, so there are staff at the station who drive passengers to trains in times of congestion so they can close the doors. So the invention of the seats of trains that can fall back to the ceiling during the peak hours to provide more space on the train, and used in many areas of Japan to increase the number of passengers and time of traffic, as these seats fall to the ceiling above the doors so as not to form any obstacle or inconvenience to passengers, and then return to its place normally after the end of the traffic. There's also another invention found on Japanese trains, the roller seats designed for passengers who feel sick during the train ride, where Japanese researchers have discovered that this nausea is usually due to the seats of the train located in the opposite direction of the road, so these seats which can be rotated, so that the seat is in the same direction as the travel route.